There are many benefits to this program, but the biggest is we're preparing these students for employment in the future. We are trying to work with Gulf states to grow their future employees. This is one of the first districts to have this opportunity.
When we pulled up and they saw the facility and all that, they hastily got really excited.
Competition-wise, yeah, it's my first experience, but doing work on cars like this is something normal for me. Oh yeah, it's fun. Yeah, I love doing this.
Pretty good experience. I've never really imagined doing this.
Yeah, I mean, it was pretty fast-paced, I felt like, and worrying about a lot of different things to take care of.
The school district does a phenomenal job supporting the vocation department. And all the schools, all the instructors do a great job. The curriculums are set. They follow the ASC and the NATEF, which are the certifications for the shops, preparing the students when they do enter the work environment, they're ready to go.
It serves a win-win for us and for our kids having this opportunity, learning from the masters, making the contacts. How else are you going to make these awesome contacts? But for them, what a genius idea, because they certainly are investing in their future manpower. Half of the ones that I visited so far have told me that this is a career choice.
I'm thinking about working at a Toyota dealership. Well, this is a great opportunity to get in contact with a couple dealers. Well, it's a big company, and like if they see you like doing your good work here, you probably could get a job out of it.
The students who competed last year had the opportunity to interview with some of these dealers, and they have been hired and are currently working with Toyota.
I appreciate the support from the school district, and for this, we all need it. Our industry needs it, and on behalf of all the dealerships in Gulf City, Toyota, thank you.